Hi there, welcome everyone back to my channel. My name is Ramos from here Ramosa TV. So do me a favor please by subscribing and let you get me 100 likes in this video. So today we'll be talking about the Romanian government scholarship, the details about the coverage and other stuff, application modes, and also we'll go into the mode for application. So if you wanna just go to how to apply and you don't know you don't wanna hear any more about all the requirement and the offered courses and other stuff, you can skip up to this minute. But for those interested, I just make it brief. This scholarship is for all international applicants, so who are non-UE European Union member countries. So I believe who are watching me now, you are eligible. Coming to the official website for the application over here, when you come over here, you can see offered through that. If you come down here, they have written program information. And when you click there, they'll send you when you click here, program information, they'll send you through this information about the application and the coverage and the other stuffs. But before that, as we have finished seeing this program, when you click over here, you go to certain page where you read all the information. Appendix 1 is the application form. Appendix 2, the curriculum vitae according to European standard. So now let me take you directly into these documents. Now when you click that page for information, it will bring you into this one, which is the program information. So when you scroll here, you can see to whom it is addressed, to all non-European Union countries. And who qualifies to this. To be eligible, you must submit a complete file, present study documents, comply with submission methodology, mode of submission, comply with the enrollment dates. Then the levels offered over here is bachelor's, master's, and PhD studies. Then the language for the study for bachelor's and masters, because they choose to promote the Romanian language and the culture, so beneficial for the scholarship. Undergraduate and masters will be enrolled into Romanian language. But for PhD, they have an exceptional. Depends to university which they're applying, because some university offer those courses which you are applying in English, so you are eligible to pursue to study in Romanian or in a foreign language, might be English, French, or Portuguese, because some departments are taught another language, not just English, not just foreign language as English, but French and other languages like Spanish. That's it. So how to submit the files, the mode for the files. To submit the application file must be sent by candidate in electronic or physical format, but most important, they must be sent through electronic in the most preferable way, only through the diplomatic missions of Romania in your country. So I'll show you how to find about that. And the enrollment dates, you'll get enrolled from November 15. I'm here now in Romania, so I'm talking from here now, directly broadcasting to you guys. And the deadline for the application for this scholarship is April 30. So, documents required to complete the file for the application. You require the application form, which will go on, and I'll show you what to fill and other stuffs. Then, please note that these scholarships are not awarded in the field of medicine, dental medicine, and the pharmacy. So they don't cover for medicine, dental, and the pharmacy, but engineering, other departments, whatsoever you can apply. So also they require, apart from submitting your application form, they require also copies of your diploma, like a diploma certificate from high school who are applying for undergraduate, from university who are applying for masters, and for PhD also from university the same. So you can see here, if your certificate are presented in the language which is not English, they should be translated. Either should be submitted in English or into French or Romanian language. So I believe those who are coming from French speaking country, they can apply just directly by uploading those which are translated in French and other stuffs. So copies of transcript of the completed studies also need to upload over there. Copy of birth certificate, copy of first 3 pages of the passport to ensure like the travel and other stuffs. CV, curriculum vitae, also is very important to be in English or French in the format. So I'll show you the CV and how to prepare and all the stuffs. So the files will also include the following document only for the candidate who seems to be specific to this. So copy of the proof of the name. Maybe if you change the name and now you're using another name, you need to present this one to be in French. You can see other information over there. Copy of certificate proving the passing of baccalaureate, the graduation, bachelor's or exams. Copy of certificate proving that the person in the final year is to take the graduation exam at the end of the school. For those who we are still at school and they want to apply using our transcript, you should get a copy of certificate proving. So from the school that you are still enrolled in high school, enrolled into undergraduate, enrolled into masters, you are about to finish. Then copy of transcript attesting the academic record of the person in the final year of studies until the moment of submitting the application. Until the date when you are submitting the application. What other exams have you done prior to that? What other nearby exams have you done to that date you are submitting? If for region exams and other stuff, they should be included in your transcript. Copy of certificate of completion from any language preparatory year for those who copy of notarization, declaration of parental consent in the candidate who are applying who are not above 18 years old. So if you are below that, you should get the parental notarization, like they believe you, they have given you the go ahead. Yeah. So the scholarship rights and obligation, or the beneficiary from the scholarship, is tuition fee, paid from tuition fee, the accommodation as well. For tuition fee will be paid for the enrollment into the complete the program cycle, to be enrolled into Romanian language as well, but also the admission fees, both are included into this scholarship. Also, they will finance the tuition fee when you start the Romanian language, grant monthly scholarship when you're studying the Romanian language, and then you start your courses for studying. Then finance the accommodation, I just said, medical assistance in case of medical surgical emergencies, local public ground, nav and underground transport, as well as domestic railway and other stuff. All those beneficiaries you'll be granted from this one. They are granted through your study when you do the preparatory, and then you get enrolled, and even after you graduate you have a 1 month also when they'll be still granting you, which you can extend from 30 days up to 1 year when you graduate the course, when you finish your courses. So another important over here, let me mention the accommodation, which they'll be funding you. Like for undergraduate will be funded 65 euros. For masters, you'll be granted 75 euros. For PhD students will be given 85 euros. So you can see the difference just of 10 euros from each step. But this scholarship does not cover the flight ticket, so you should be able to pay for yourself. But first, just apply. The matter for the flight ticket can just be done when you have all the equipment and other stuff, you're ready to go. Only transport, they don't pay for you. From your country, flight ticket to here until where you go, maybe land from the airport to the universities upon yourself. So they start dealing with you when you are at the city where you are required to be studying at the university. Now, this here is our application form. So as we can see from our application form over here, you can see the application form to be completed. So they require us to keep our surname, given name, and we have here previous surname. So if maybe you had another one and they changed it, you can just keep over there. For people who have 3 names, and for the part where have been given names, you write your first name and your middle name. So surname will be the last name. But when you come date of birth, you just put over there. Country where you are born, you put over there. Locality, you can put the city, the date over there. Parents given names, your parents' names, you will write over there, fill over there. Then we got the sex, you will choose. Civil status, are you married, single, divorced, or widow. Actual citizenship, you'll put over here. Then we got previous nationality, if you changed your nationality. Travel documents, passport, you'll put over there the series, the number for the passport, the country issuing that passport, and the date of the issue, expired date, which will be found from the passport, the actual permanent residence or country. You should write there, where now do you have the residence, where do you reside now when you're applying, for how long, if you'll be there until when the enrollment for the program will start. So you should put the address, actual residency of that country and other stuff. So the address over there, we got the email address, put the active email address. Then here down we got the academic qualification, where you need to fill your school details, like your former high school which you graduated from, or your former university, past university, and other stuff for the level, according to the level which you're applying. So you'll fill here the name of the school, the date of admission, and the completion type of the diploma acquired. If it is just high school advanced certificate, you put over there. If it is bachelor's degree, diploma, or certificate, you put over there. You put where? Over there. Then, yeah. So when you come down here, so you got the study program preferences in Romania, criteria number 2 over there. So study programs, I said, for undergraduate and masters, is preferable to do in Romanian language, because they promote their own language and culture. So you come here, undergraduate, there is license. Here above you can see the study field. Then you choose. We have option 1 and option 2, 2 options. Then university, if you know exactly, you can just put here the university. And here on the language of the instruction, if it's Romanian, Romain, the language, you put yes. If no, they say here, for yes, you have to mention the university, because you have to mention, to be specific for the university. So you need to research for universities in Romania. And I did another video about Romanian universities. You can check from my channel, but I'll try, if I remember, I'll put the link in the description here. So master, the same, masterat, doctorate, also doctorate, the same. You have those options. So proficiency in other languages. The matter for the, let's say the matter for the English, French proficiency and other tests. Mostly let me talk about English tests, and other stuffs aren't mandatory, because their plans are most about their languages, to promote their language. So they won't consider that much. So just Romanian, English, if it's basic writing, speaking, and other, even if you don't have the certificate, that's it. If you studied everything in English, maybe. An authorization to transmit of the following documents, you can translate them in English, French, or Romanian languages. So they need the photocopy of the certificate studies, the photocopy of the documents of your studies until the level now you are, copy of birth certificate, I already said above, also academic transcript, I said also, curriculum vitae, CV, which we'll see in a couple of minutes to come, then copy of first 3 pages of the passport, and here there is a date and a signature you need to sign over here. Then when you scroll down, there's a part you need to do declaration. You declare you have read all the things, so you put your name over there, email address, the active, and the phone number, and then you come here down, you sign. So this one is in another language. The final thing we need to upload with us is about the CV, and the CV should meet the European criteria. The European criteria, as you can see from here, like the Europass criteria. So I'm here, and this CV, this format is the one which is used for job application. Even if you come here as a student, you have the opportunity to have 4 hours for work. When you got the student permit, it allows you to work for 4 hours per day. So with that one, with this CV, you will prepare also, you need to prepare the CV like this, and you'll be able to apply for jobs and other stuff. So this CV format is very important. So you can see here, the CV format needs to have the personal information to replace with the names and other stuff. You can take this actually with your software, just edit it. Then we got the job application position and the study work experience, education and the training. If you doesn't have work experience, so you remove it from there, like you leave it blank. or you remove it, because why would you keep there and it remains blank? Why? Personal skills as well, you need to put mother language, other language, you keep listening, you enter the level, you enter. Then communication skills, organization and management skills. Then we got job related skills, computer skills, other skills, hobbies and interests. And we got the driving license if you got the one, publication as well. After finishing filling all the application form and this one CV, our CV, and all the declaration, these documents should be sent to the embassy of Romania in your country. So you can go on Google here and you'll type maybe embassy of Romania in Tanzania, for people maybe from Tanzania. You write that and you can see a www.mae.ro. This is the official website, foreign missions. I think this is the official website, foreign missions. You click that and you can see the email for the embassy. So you need to send your documents from to the embassy over there. The application will be considered from the embassy. So working hours, you can see there, the deadline is 30 April. So make sure you apply before the deadline. And that was it about today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Best wishes. Any question, drop on the comment section. Please subscribe.